Hi everyone, this is Heather Huber. I just wanted to show you this beautiful home that I have the pleasure of listing. It's 2405 Testify Court Southeast Court, because yes, it's a cul-de-sac. It's in Avalon Point, which is a wonderful subdivision in Caledonia, and it's 3 beds, 2.5 bath, finished basement, a fun bar in the basement, a fun extra space upstairs. There's lots of fun things. So I'm going to show you all of them. Come on, let's go. Probably think I'm in an extra room right now. I'm not. I'm just at the top of the stairs with all of this space. I could do arts and crafts, I could have books, this could be my office, I could put my instruments in here, I could do so much stuff. If you've ever met me, you know that I love a good beer. And that's why this is my favorite part of this house. We're in the finished basement right now and at a bar which the homeowners built. Pretty neat. I'm currently in the mudroom just off of the kitchen. And these beautiful built-ins behind me were actually built by the homeowners themselves. Right behind that, they're hiding an extra washer and dryer hookup, which there is laundry upstairs, but if you wanted to install one down here, you easily could. So thank you again for watching this video and allowing me to give you a virtual tour of this beautiful home. I would love for you to come see it in person sometime. It does go live today, and you can contact me for a showing, you can contact your realtor for a showing, or we are having an open house on Sunday as well. So hope to see you there. Hope you have a great day. Thanks again.